Pennsylvania State Police has issued an Amber Child Abduction Alert for Philadelphia PD and Philadelphia County. Philadelphia Police are searching for Nova Ray White, black female, age 1, 2 foot tall, 25 pounds. Last seen in 1200 block North 10th Street, Philadelphia, at approximately 8:10 a.m. He was reported abducted by an armed Ronald White, 32 years of age, black male, brown eyes, brown hair, unknown clothing. He fled the scene in a 1998 Toyota Corolla, green in color. Anyone with information, contact Philadelphia Police at 215-686-3174 or 911. Repeating, the Pennsylvania State Police has issued an Amber Child Abduction Alert for Philadelphia PD and Philadelphia County. Philadelphia Police are searching for Nova Ray White, black female, age 1, 2 feet tall, 25 pounds. She was last seen at 1200 block of North 10th Street, Philadelphia, PA, at approximately 8:10 a.m. She was reported abducted by an armed Ronald White, 32 years of age, black male, brown eyes, brown hair, unknown clothing. He fled the scene with her in a 1998 Toyota Corolla, green in color. Anyone with information on the abduction should immediately contact the police by calling 911. For more information, go to www.amber.pa.gov.